Y'all, like, I buy clothes and it's like Christmas every single time. Like, I didn't pick this stuff out. It's crazy. It's like, let's get into this box here.
That must be why you move so icy. Icy like 1017.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. As always, thank you so very much for hitting that play button, and if you're a subscriber, thank you so very much for continuing to rock with me. I see we have a few new little subscribers. Thank you guys so much for joining the squad. And if this is your first time here, I'm not gonna ask you to subscribe right now because that's too much. Like, you don't know nothing about me, right? Besides, like, you know, the other videos, but you don't know much. So I'm not gonna ask you to subscribe right now, but I promise you, like, by the end of the video, and once you've caught all these vibes, you're gonna want to subscribe, so you know you can do it all right now if you want to hit that button. But if you don't want to, I get it. You want to see what I'm about. Let me tell you what I'm about. Today we are doing a unboxing. All right, so this is a bag, and I have another box right here. We have a lot of stuff. If you guys follow me on my Facebook page, and if you don't like my Facebook page for my YouTube channel, you gotta do that right now. I always try to keep you guys up with the latest sales and the newest thing that I have going on with me personally. So I will link my Facebook page down in the description. So please make sure that you go and like my Facebook page. So if you are already liking my Facebook page, then you are aware of the sale that I told you guys about, right? Charlotte Russe. So Charlotte Russe had a major sale. Everything on the site was below $25, so that's a steal. And I was looking for some new pieces because it's getting cold now, and I threw away the last jacket I had because it just didn't really, like, it didn't say Bianca 26 the paralegal, like, and I need to, you know, make my wardrobe look more professional. So I wanted to get some new jackets, so that was my main purpose for going on there. But I found some other things, and if you all don't know, I am in love with sweaters. Like, I call myself the sweater god, you know what I'm saying? Like, I love sweaters. It's my favorite piece in my wardrobe. I have a ton of sweaters, and honestly, I don't think nobody can mess with me, like, when it comes to this sweater. Like, I do this. Like, I do this. And I love my sweaters. So, of course, I have a ton of sweaters in this unboxing. And then I have a few other things. So, we're going to go ahead and get into it. So, let's go ahead. Now, while I'm opening this, I'm going to let you guys know there is a difference between a unboxing and a try-on haul. So, in the try-on haul, you'll actually see me trying on the pieces versus this unboxing is, like, literally you seeing me get the pieces for the first time. I'm not going to be trying them on, but I will have links of the pictures of the model in the outfit or in the pieces so that you guys will see exactly what it looks like, right? So let's dig in. Ooh. Oh my god, already the first one. I gotta check out the first one. I'm hyped. Okay, so this is the first one. This is so cute. It's so me, girl. I can see me rocking this already. I'm so excited. And all these pieces are gonna be in a size 3X. This is the first sweater that I got. You guys, what made me fall in love with the sweater is that it's actually like off the shoulder, so you can wear it off the shoulder. And then it's something about this little two stripe thing. It gives me like that, I don't know, like that varsity feel towards sweaters. I don't know. I loved it. I love the color. I can see me doing this with some dark denim or even like a light white. I know you're not supposed to wear white after Labor Day, but girl, look, this is, it already looks so cute on me. Like, look, if I had that on, girl, it'd be cute. And up next, we have, so this is the windbreaker jacket. This, I had to get it because, you know, it's like days when you're going into the office or whatever, and like it's cold outside, but it's not that cold. And we've been experiencing a lot of rain lately. So I was like, let me go ahead and get me a nice little jacket. And if you guys don't know, green is my favorite color. You know, it's my thing. And this is what I have here. This is a size 3X as well. It has a hoodie on the back also, so it unzips right here down the front. I like the fact that it has pockets on the sides. Like, whoa. Girl, I'm having a hard time to back up. It ain't even on me. Okay, no, I'm gonna get it together. So yeah, as I was saying, Charlotte Russe is a really good site. There's a Charlotte Russe, like a city above me that I go to when I need something really cute and really quick. I can always depend on Charlotte Russe, and their size are standard, so it's a really great place for us plus size women that are not junior plus size. Alright, so the next thing that I have here is these really cute pants. It's something else that I can wear to work. It has, I don't know exactly what to call this Will this be considered plaid? What you think? What y'all think? This is probably plaid, huh? So it's like a legging type, so it has that stretch there. Mostly girl needs to stretch for me in the back where that booty area, and I gotta get that booty and knees. But yeah, so I really liked it. What drew me to these pants was of course the print. I think it's really cute, and I got another sweater to top to match this, but it has these cute little zipper here on the side. I don't know if they, oh okay, cute. Oh, fake, ain't got no pocket, girl. Ain't got no pocket. Okay, girl, just unzip. Whatever. And then on the back, we don't have anything. No pockets on the back, and then some false pockets on the front. But I thought that these were really cute. It's something that I can throw on a Friday with a nice sweater. That's the first one. That's everything out of that bag. So now we are going to go to the big box. Okay, wait. Pause. Girl, so look, my birthday, I'm about to be 27 in December, and my birthday is December 14th, and Christmas is like, you know, of course 2 weeks later, and then it's New Year's. Like, girl, last year I spent so much money like for myself on my birthday, like, cause it's like when I was younger I had to choose, so it's like now that I'm grown I don't want to choose. I want everything. Brand new socks and drawers, and I'm balling every time I come and talk to y'all. I want it all. I want everything. Oh, girl, let me tell y'all. All my favorite sweaters that I ever gotten are like Goodwill sweaters. Like old men that probably like just, you know, donated them. Those are my favorite type of sweaters. Like, they're my thing. I love them. Okay, so this is the next sweater that I have, you guys. Isn't this... Girl, I'm gonna be so cute. Like, come on now. Come on. Like, they're gonna be like, V, got your sweater. Girl, Charlotte Russe. Alright, you guys, it feels so good. It feels like a sweater. Like, a sweater. It feels like a blanket. Like, it feels so good. I got these sweaters, man. I'm hype. But look at that. And it's big. It's like oversized. Girl, come on now. It's oversized. So, let me calm down. Come on now, this is so cute. All right, let me get into it. So it has like stripes up front here, and then they go into different colors there. So, girl, I'm hyped about this sweater. And it has like that old man thing at the bottom where, like, you know, they kind of like ruches up. Girl, look how far it stretches. I am not going to know how to act when I put this sweater on, because I'm not gonna ever want to take it off. I'm never gonna want to take it off. I want to keep it right here. It's so cute, man. This is another sweater. Another one. Man, my sweater collection's going up. You heard me? It's going up. All right. Oh, you guys, so I really am hyped about this one. Well, this is one of my favorite colors also to wear in the fall. But what I like about it is like this turtleneck vibe. I don't think I got one turtleneck sweater. But now, the right time to wear a striped sweater. I should have said that what the other one is all the time. So this one has like that little turtleneck vibe up the front. I like, of course, the design. Like, you see a lot of sweaters that have this. Oh, this, I'm gonna be so cute. Like, I'm gonna be so cute in my little sweaters. All right, so it has a little design right here, of course, stripe going down here. I really like this color. This is like a burnt orange. It's perfect for the fall. I'm gonna look so cute in this, and I'm probably gonna do this one with a skirt, just because I could see myself with the turtleneck here and a cute little skirt, like hitting on my knees and some nice little boots. Girl, look, your girl's gonna be so cute. You're gonna be cute, B. That's gonna be cute. Oh, I'm hyped. And now, okay, this is a pea coat. It's a little more plasticier than what I thought, though. It's a little plasticky. I wasn't expecting that, but nonetheless, when I try it on, I will keep you guys updated if I actually keep this. It has the pockets here on the side, so that's nice, and it has the zipper down the middle, and the inside is it's not even really like, you know what I'm saying, like where you can get some warmth or something like that. Like, girl, I don't know about that one, you guys. Another one, sweater. Alright, so let's get into it. It feels so good. It feels good. I love this one. Like, this one gives me like casual day, drinking my coffee. I wake up, take a shower, put on a nice sweater, put on some nice leggings, like, and this one is kind of oversized as well. I like stretchy sweaters. Like, it's so comfortable. They fall real over my behind and my tummy. The chevron across the front, this is really cute. This is definitely another favorite. I love oversized. Oh, only one more thing. All right, so this is, you guys remember the pants that I talked about earlier? Those. All right, so I am going to pair those with this. Girl, can't you see me in the office with this on? You got your plaid pants here. You got your little cute pink sweater on casual day. Look at this. How pretty is that? That looks pretty. A really baby pink. This is really pretty. Goes really well with my nails, and this is usually the skin color that I wear my nails all the time. But I like, of course, the end. I love the fact that it stretches. And I like this, the way that this one is threaded too, and it has a nice little V cut in the front. A very simple sweater that you can throw on, of course, for work. And then, of course, you know, just to hang out in from time to time. How pretty is that? That's gonna look really good against my skin tone, right? Hyped, hyped, hyped. All right, you guys, so that is the end of my Charlotte Russe unboxing of my nice sweaters and a few fall items. Please let me know in the comments if you all enjoyed this type of video. Let me know what pieces was your favorite. Let me know what wasn't your favorite, and let me know what was, like, what is your favorite clothing. Like, are you a jeans girl? Are you a crop top girl? Are you a sweater? You like hoodies? You like windbreakers? You like kicks? Like, what's your favorite thing? Like I told you guys, I'm a sweater hoarder. That's my thing. Please make sure that you all follow me on all my social media handles. Like I said, please like my Facebook page so that you all are aware of all the new sales that I found out about, and you guys can hit me and let me know about new sales, because your girl likes shopping. And give this video a big like if you liked it. And if you've gotten to the end of this video, you like the vibes. Did you? Oh, you did. So please make sure that you hit that subscribe button so that you guys can, you know when I am uploading a video. And please make sure that you hit that bell notification, and they'll let you know exactly when I drop a new video. So subscribe right there. Do that for me. Guys, thank y'all so much for continuing to rock with me, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.